Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are checking out unboxing of another Vostok Komandirskie watch. So right in front of us we have the Vostok Komandirskie box, this red color, this chocolate box type of box. So let's start the unboxing. So this will be a very quick unboxing. Here we have the Komandirskie box, and this simply looks like a chocolate box, dairy milk chocolate box. So I'll just remove the watch from here. Nothing else in the box, it's all empty. Some documentation paperwork. So here is the watch, guys. I've removed the watch from the box. This is the dial. It has a beautiful white dial, and this white dial at 12 o'clock we have that Russian Air Force logo, that red star with that Air Force sign, and all the minute markers are like 5, 10 are written here, along with like the 12 markers are also written inside with red font, and all the hour markers had that green loom dots to it. And the bottom here it says in Russian language, made in Russia. At 12 o'clock it says Komandirskie. This is how the case looks. There is a red dot at 12 o'clock, and all the minute markers are listed at the side. We can rotate the bezel like this, both direction. This watch looks like a pilot watch, to be honest. It has that beautiful pilot watch, that Air Force look to it, very beautiful. At 3 o'clock here we have a date window and the crown. This uses a hand winding Vostok 2414A movement, that is 17 jewels. Here is the case back. This is a standard Vostok case back for Komandirskie hand winding. Here we have the ring along with the base plate, the back plate. So let us just fix the time. So right now the time is, let's just check, the time is 3:45, and as you can see the correct time is set because I've already set the time. And the all the hour markers, as I said earlier, has a loom dots, and also the minute and the hour hand has also loom. The second hand doesn't have loom, it has that red color second hand, which is matching the red fonts on the dial. Looks beautiful. And at 6 o'clock it says 17 jewels. It says that 17 in Russian, it says 17 jewels. Beautiful looking dial, and the case has this beautiful dome shape to it, as you can see. Okay, this watch comes with the standard Komandirskie leather strap. The lug width is 18 millimeter, so all the 18 millimeter straps, including 18 millimeter, 18 and 19 millimeter NATO strap, will fit easily. Okay, and this has an open lug, so no problem installing the NATO strap. Now in order to wind the watch, it's very simple. So at first let me tell you, this watch has a screw down crown, so we need to unlock it at first, and once you unlock it, this hangs like this. Okay, as you can see, this hangs like this. So this position is called hand winding position. So in order to hand wind, you need to hold it like this, and wind it. See, it's tightening. This is the way you need to hand wind it. You need to hold it like this and wind it. Okay. And in order to set the time, you just need to pull the crown one level again, to pull it again. Now you can set the time, as the time is currently correctly set, so I'm not going to change the time. Okay. And once you're done, you need to screw down the crown tightly. Okay. So this is, as I mentioned earlier, this is a hand winding watch, not a automatic watch. Okay. And the service life for this 2414A is once in 10 years. So next 10 years, if you use your watch properly, it should not give you any trouble. And this is my 6th Vostok watch. 5 of them are hand winding, 1 is automatic. So I can tell you that the power reserve is quite good. Around 35 to 36 hours of power reserve you will get. And the model number for this watch is 81171. Right now this watch is out of stock on Komandirskie website. I bought this watch for around 2400, including the 5% discount. So I bought not just one but 2 watches. This is the first watch, and I'll be showing you the second watch. There is another dedicated video I've uploaded, you can check that out. This is the second watch. Okay, so this is the second watch in that order. Okay, so I have bought these 2 watches and 1 dial. So this is the dial which I've got. This dial price is 199 rubles, which is 180 rupees Indian currency. And there was a shipping charges of around 1200. So including everything, I paid around 6000, 6100, 200. Okay. Went to Komandirskie website and I searched for the cheapest ones available, because I've already purchased 3 dials of Vostok, like my favorite watches, which cost over 7000, 7500. So what I did is I bought those 3 dials, my favorite Vostok watches, and planned on swapping those dials with these watches. Okay, so these watches are like I bought these watches in order to swap the dials. Okay, we'll be using the same like hands, but after the watches came, I felt like this looks really good, like really good looking watches, like especially the white one, really good looking watch. So now I'm thinking whether to swap the dials or not. Like really good looking watch. And I'll be coming up with another video showing you how to swap the dials on Vostok Komandirskie. Okay, like I have done it multiple times on my watches, but never shot a video, because it's too technical to do it, and also to do a video along with it, I might make some mistakes while swapping the dials and installing the hands. So that's why I'm skeptical in doing that video, but still like I have planned on doing it. Let's see when I do it. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, then do hit the like button, and also let me know if you want to see the dial swapping video on your Vostok watches. If you guys are interested, then I'll shoot a video, else I'll be doing it offline, like I won't be shooting a video at all. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Do take care of yourself. Take care. Bye bye.